Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is a Indo-Persian delicacy which is very delicious, very simple to cook but a little time taking, which is Dum Pukht. I'm going to make Dum Pukht with lamb today. I have taken approximately 500 grams of lamb, chopped into large size pieces. And then I had separated the fat out of the lamb. I will show you how to use it. Then I have taken some whole spices, one big cardamom and some whole black pepper, the cinnamon, 2 sticks and some cloves, 1 bay leaf and some whole spices mix. And then I have taken salt as per taste. And then let's move towards the vegetable, which is potato. Cut into big pieces, and onion cubes, tomato into big pieces, some lemon to squeeze and use only the juice, and then garlic and some 7 to 8 cloves, then green chilies slit into pieces, and then 1.5 inch of ginger. So as we speak, Dum Pukht, there's dum. So I have applied this dough here to keep the dum or the steam inside, and so that it's tightly closed and we can cook it with its own. It works like a pressure cooker, right? So, and it will be a very slow cooked recipe. So we will turn on the stove for high for the first 5 to 7 minutes, and then after 5 to 7 minutes we will turn the stove to lowest heat as possible as it can hold, and then we will cook it up to 2 to 2.5 hours, let's say. So while it is getting ready, let's start some accompaniments which goes so well with that, which is a saffron rice. It's a hit in my house, so I want you to try my recipe and share the feedback in the comment section. So let's start with the saffron rice. How do I make it? This is 2 cups of rice, long grain basmati rice. And then I have taken some dry fruits as per your choice, nuts and some raisins. And then the main ingredient for saffron rice is saffron, right? So I have taken saffron. I will add this 1 tablespoon of sugar into this mortar, and a little milk, 1 hot milk, 1 tablespoon, and put the saffron and start. Yeah, so it's 3 hours and our Dum Pukht seems to be ready. Let's open it and see how it has become. So that. Be careful. And there is this thing. Oh, look at that. So the flavors are sealed, as you see. The fat layer is there, which has become the juice or a little spicy gravy for this. So I'll start plating it. So now you can see how beautifully it has come out. The Dum Pukht, the rice was ready, so I had taken out and plated the rice, and the Dum Pukht is ready with, you can see the potato, the tomatoes are fully cooked, the lamb is fully cooked. You can see this. A few tips from my side, which is you can have this Dum Pukht with chicken, goat meat, and you can have this I have done it in lamb. So try it at home. Share your feedback and comments in the comment section, and do like and subscribe and share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.